Alright, so welcome to Them Fast, and here I have the keys of the new Kia EV9. And we're going to take this giant of a car for a POV drive. As you can see, the handle already got out of the door. And here we have the very nice interior, so get in, man. Alright, so right now we are going to have a nice POV drive in this ginormous Kia EV9. So, and this car is brought to you by Kia Zeeuw Zeeuw. So thanks guys for providing this car. So this video is all about driving the EV9, so you can see what it's like to drive on a day-to-day basis. And if you want to have more information about this car, then we advise you to watch the full-on review of this car, which will be online very shortly, or it's already online and then you can find it right here. So as you see, you're actually so high above the road. You truly feel like you're the king of the road with this car, because everything looks small except for a truck, of course. And also you can see the digital rear mirror. So you can have a normal mirror and a digital mirror with a camera, which is also pretty cool. And as you can hear, there are so many sensors on this car. Every new car needs to have a sensor and a loud chime when you go over the speed limit, which is super annoying. But I think there is a way to put it off. You always get these noises when driving. But that's with all new cars. So that's not only with Kia, that's with all new cars that are being delivered in 2024. And whilst driving here, I get a nice back massage from the massaging function in the seats. The seats are actually really good side bolstering as well, and they have a massage function, so that is pretty comfortable. And there we have Robin driving the Kia Niro EV, which we are also going to review. So we have two of Kia's latest electric models. brand new cars for the channel. Alright, so now you can see what happens when you when you sort of close your eyes. I was actually still watching it, but oh my god, this car is full of sensors. But okay, you can stop now. Alright, so what I just did is that I kept my eyes open, but I was closing them a bit, but I could just see through it. But the car managed to see that I was sort of asleep and that my eyes were not focused on the road, and now it just went whole nuts and just gave out all these warning signs that you need to wake up and that you need to check the road. So it started with a little chime and then it started just to go mental. But that's just all the sensor things in this car. It's insane. I do hope that there is a way to get it all off, because it's super annoying. But as I said, every car has that, so that's the perks of having a new vehicle in 2024. My god. But besides all the noises and whistles and chimes, this car is actually super comfortable. So you might notice it already, but this car doesn't really have a lot of road noise. Tire noise is also, yeah, pretty good actually. And of course you don't hear an engine at all because it's electric. You do get a nice little whine from the electric motor if you give it full throttle. But all in all, this is a super comfortable car. The steering wheel is pretty indirect, I should say. So yeah, it's not a really direct feeling, but yeah, that's to be expected with an SUV this size, and it's also on a balloonish tire, so yeah, nothing strange there. It's just made for comfort and not for true driving pleasure. And for what it's intended to be, it does it very well. And let's now also try the acceleration of this vehicle. Alright, this is the acceleration of the Kia EV9. Damn. This actually is really quick. I'm amazed by the acceleration power of this car. I'm not sure about the specs, but I figure this car weighs around 2.5 or 2.6 tons, maybe even more, because this is truly a huge vehicle. So, but right now we are at our destination, which is the damn fast location here. So we are going to make the full review here, and we're going to make a walk around of both the EV9 as well as the Nero EV. So if you want to know more of this car, then check out the other videos, and we have more Kia videos as well on our channel. We have the EV6, we have a few videos of that one. And otherwise we have lots of other new cars on the channel, so make sure to check those out as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Ciao!